Here at Real Deals For You, we love products that excel, and this mobile telescopic scaffold tower from Zarges certainly does that. It's a world's first. With its innovative telescopic mechanism, the tower adjusts to 7 different heights, rising to over 2 metres and a working height of 4 metres. It also has a spacious platform with easy fit toe boards and has a floor opening hatch for added convenience. It comes in 3 parts: tower, platform and toe boards, and can be fully set up in 3 minutes by one person. And when it comes to transporting the tower, it's compact enough to fit inside a small van. Safety is paramount, and it comes with integrated stabilisers, ensuring a solid base on any surface, and the swivel casters come with brakes for added security. For added peace of mind, it also includes low-level boards as well as integrated hand and knee rails to keep you safe while working at height. So check out this fantastic Zarges mobile telescopic scaffold tower at your local Real Deals For You stockist.